Supposed to start at your own will. We have few people who love farming. We have guys who know farming. I have some friends who are university graduates. They do agric business. Today they find happy because even he give you 40% of the profit, he takes 60% of the profit. We'll be happy. At least you are making something from that money. You can use that money now to do what? Start again. You don't need the big man again.
They are doing farming.
Kennedy Japan is a big farmer.
Okay.
Kennedy Japan is a big farmer. Big time.
Okay.
Jomama himself, the former president, is a farmer.
Okay.
What is this man?
Give him mic, give him mic. Be so you matter hard.
No matter how do. My matter no good.
You can't promote your farm. We dey take 2,000 cedis.
You have to give me
So
money,
we
me
do
I
the-
will give you money.
We do the video finish.
Look at me,
Maybe we spoil the car.
Oh.
Camera dey on top. Why they do like that? Nice.
Do you know me? You know me?
They get cook. I want original cook.
Do you know me?
I know you.
Where do you know me?
I know your farm.
Yeah, I don't know you.
It's from your farm.
This
Tell
man
them.
self, I don't know where you come from.
Me dey do that.
Okay.
I have a question with you.
I've been seeing them on Facebook. That's the only thing I know about this man. That's the only thing I know about this
This is
man.
WAP farming talks. So they do conversation about farm. You only be farming.
You won't be farming here.
Yeah.
You get money.
Oh.
You don't get money. The
I no
money
get
no
money.
come here.
If you don't get money, they can't see me.
But
Then I don't go listen
no,
to you.
they need you.
Who need me?
So I can educate them.
Ghana youth are not serious.
Why? They're not serious.
They're not serious
Why?
at all.
I want that part. Why they're not serious?
Farming not be something where people are like. It's not an attractive area. So they want where they can sit in the office. You know, they send me the videos for me to get money. Then I'm going to you can't come hijack me like
Oh,
this.
you go fit do me. You go fit do. You know go fit do. You go guide you.
This is my
You
life.
go-
You don't want
no,
to
see,
you
you
don't
go-
make I make money. This
No,
guy.
see, you go farm. They go fit work on that. You get content. The content you dey do now, you know the thing.
No, it's not about that.
They do bad. You go fit do video on that. Educate people.
I have those things on my this thing.
Support them, man.
I know it's on my TikTok already.
Our channel is Sparrow Green Farms. We didn't even talk about the farm's name. The farm we went to is Sparrow Green Farms. It's on TikTok. So when you go to TikTok, you can find Sparrow Green
You
Farms.
can find TikTok,
Then
Facebook,
Facebook. You learn a lot
and
about
Instagram.
Okay. So already the video. is
They
there,
just
so, okay.
quash my ex. They quash it. I don't know why they quash him.
Oh, my question is, you don't want to answer me. Why the youth are not serious?
Oh, the Ghana youth are not serious.
So what can
And the big men are greedy. Ghana youth are not serious. The big men are greedy.
what
That
can
we will
the
still
youth do?
suffer
What can the youth do? So that
because
they can-
it's for them. Family is not attractive. That's the whole thing. There's nothing.
Is it the education? The education is low.
Yes,
or
the
what?
education is supposed to start since the first day of schooling. You
But we
understand?
did agric in
Since
Is that?
tell me the truth now. What agric you do for school?
The one I can see there is someone.
Theory or
It's a book-
10 cities.
it's a book thing.
30.
You understand?
And the smaller
So
one.
we like it's me like this. I was inspired since my childhood about farming. My dad is a farmer
That's why the
as well as a worker. I get it. The same thing as me. He's my senior man for that one. We don't talk about this
We
here.
don't talk about this area. Oh, but so like, what the youth can do so that they can be.
Farming is supposed to be a hobby as well as business targeted. A business target, hobby and business target. If you don't love farm, you can't farm. You can't make it as business.
Wow.
No, it's not possible. The person will go tell you, say, go put your money inside farming. And he couldn't love the field. He will not sustain with all his money. He go bend. It's kind of bad shit.
So how can the person get passion on that? So how can
Passion is supposed to start at your own will. We have few people who love farming. We have guys who know farming. I have some friends who are university graduates. They do agric business. Today they find themselves another field. It's not because you love farming where you go do agric business. Just you want a certificate to go and do it. So we want people who love the job and go and find a way and get educated on that. How do you call them? On that area.
Area.
If you are not educated on that area, it will be difficult for you. And you have to love the job. You know, when you love the job, but you create more. You understand? You will be having those things,
Ideas.
business ideas and creative man and create your own
What about
thing.
only one? The
But when
money.
you don't have those things in your mind, you forget.
You only do that money plus.
The youth of Ghana, I make I tell you the
Yeah,
truth.
Momo, yeah.
Per farming. You can't
Go and
pray.
catch more.
Otherwise, farming is broad. You don't understand?
So you
Farming,
break it down for me. Break it down for
you
me.
see, we have the one working, we have the one selling, we have the one consuming. It's three.
Yes.
Now, the one working on it, if that area only is big, you understand? You can have machineries. Like me, I can buy machineries to go to the farming community and rent the machine to them to work. I can get paid out of that one. That's one. Then the aggregator, who will come and buy the products from the farm,
Okay.
it too is another work.
Okay.
You understand, like a supplier, you buy and sell. I get it. And those who are giving the technicalities, those agronomists and those things, are also another part of business. We're not using those things. Tell me how many agronomists we have in Ghana? There are young guys who are not many guys who are young guys who are agronomists. Now they do their own farm because the government is not ready for them.
So is it that the government is not supporting the youth or
You see, you have to love the job, and the
That's right.
government to put
support?
You can't go and do the job and say that because I want money, I want to get money, I'm going to farming. If the government give you the money, where you go there because of business, you still lose the money.
So the passion is the
The
main.
passion is supposed to be there. Any job that have passion, like you, the thing you are doing, you have passion for it. Even they don't pay you, if you're happy. I get it.
Don't come here late. Don't say I came.
It didn't inform me that you are coming. Any work you do, where you don't put passion, forget. It's hard what I'm doing. It's hard. I'm
So
still in it.
you right now advice for the youth.
The advice for the youth, you have to have passion in anything you are doing. That's first. And second, make it a business. For farm, yes, we want to, how do you call, inspire the youth to come into farming. It's not only go and do tomatoes, go and do maybe how do you call plant maize. We have so many things you can do to make money from farm. From agriculture, if you say farm like it's different. Yes, from agriculture, yeah, there's so many things you can make money from it. And you can have, that passion, and you are happy. You understand, like me. You just come from my farm, I was not around. But when I come and see something is spoiling, and I can speak to the plant. You understand? Me and the plant every day we communicate. You understand?
Oh, like the reason why we are forcing the youth to do farming is not everything, because when you check the goods that we are exporting to Ghana, if we can able to feed our own people, and I don't think the government will import.
It's that I'm saying. The youth of Ghana, they are not serious. The big men are greedy.
Why the big men are greedy?
God, thank you. Today, assuming I will take aspect of tomatoes only. I'm a supplier as well.
Okay.
I do farming, I buy and sell. So some time ago, the tomatoes short for the system. And the price shoot up. It's not about dollar. The person who could tell you the tomatoes price shoot up because of the dollar is a liar. You know why? I'll break it down for you. Now tomatoes is in season now.
Yeah, sure.
The price have come down. The dollar is how much today?
Dollar is 15.
16 plus.
I thought 15. Okay.
It's not 15, 16 plus.
Okay.
And the tomatoes price have shoot down. Why? Because there's a bumper harvest time. This is the bumper harvesting time. So imagine we have tomatoes year round. The price will not shoot up. We'll be having tomatoes in abundance in the market. We can sell outside the country. Look at the time we were not having tomatoes. People were importing tomatoes from Morocco to Ghana, cabbage from Morocco to Ghana, pepper from Morocco to Ghana. Look at the distance from Ghana to Morocco. Can you give me distance, yeah, you see how far it is. And they'll pass by CO, they'll pass by Guinea, Senegal, before they reach to Ghana.
Before they reach to
yes. They'll pass through Africa because those the sea, they pass like this. Come and reach to Ghana, 2 weeks on the sea. 2 weeks or 3 weeks on the sea before you reach to Ghana. So tell me that tomatoes. If I tell you say it's a GMO, you will tell me this is not true. If I joke now, they'll come and find me to my farm and go and lock me up because I said there be GMO. It's a fact.
No, that's the truth.
Yes. And it's a fact. GMO. Because when you look at the texture of the tomatoes, it's tasteless and we eat.
I think that the video you talk on that, like when you grow the thing, you grow the thing organic and you eat organic food.
Yes. So it's not even organic. When you are doing the traditional farming self, like the conventional one, we add fertilizer, we add anything, everything like what we have here, like the chemical and other things, and you use that particular tomatoes fruit and go and buy the Morocco one and test them. You see a big difference. Even we are on self, we are doing the conventional one. It's far better than our own in terms of taste. They are bringing onion from Egypt.
Your place, I think they can plant onion.
There is no place you can plant onion in Ghana. There is no place. There is not. Everywhere you can have onion everywhere.
Ghana.
They're big men too. They don't want to help the youth. Those who have the passion to do their job, they are not giving hands. You know, they don't find people like us to do their job. They don't find them. You know, they give to the big girls and the other people to talk money. You go and buy a Range Rover and Benz to go and give to their girlfriends. You know, give us that money to invest. Put it inside. They should know, and they know that we are saying the truth. Put it inside. They should stop giving money to the big boss.
The big man, what they should do?
They should find people like us. I'm not the only one. I didn't say find me.
Okay.
If you find me, I'm going to be happy to do business with you. And why I'm saying that why sometimes some people don't want to give money to the youth to help. When they give you the money, the first the person will do. Even you. When they loan you with 100,000, the first thing you find, go and buy a Corolla.
You back her first.
Go and rent a big house. Find a big girl. When the money go remain like 20,000, how much? 20,000, and now you are running away to find a cheaper material to do farming. What are you doing? Are you serious? That's why the big men don't give money to guys. Because you go use the money to go and chill. Saturday, Friday, Sunday, you go chill. What the money left small now he's running away, searching for money to go and do the business. But when you are serious doing business, the big man will take care of us.
So the big man, if before they will give the money to the youth, what they should do before they give the money to the youth?
You see, they have to have a certainty like coordination. I get it. If me and you are partners, or you are my boss, or you are the one giving the money to me to do the work, we are partners. You have to find somebody to be at least checking on what I'm doing, on my project. So imagine if it's tomatoes project I'm coming to do. I just write to you, put my project on paper, then I show it to you that this is the thing I want to do within 3 months. I want to do 3 acres or 4 acres or 5 acres or 10 acres. And this is the amount of product chemical I'm going to use, amount of fertilizer I'm going to use for that duration of 3 months. Now if you project the price and the profit the person is going to get, he's going to be happy. Because even he give you 40% of the profit, he takes 60% of the profit. You'll be happy. At least you are making something from that money. You can use that money now to do what? Start again. You don't need the big man again. You can pay him off and start again with the small money you get. But it's not the case. When they give us money, we'll go and do something else with the money. And that's why the big men can give money to young guys. You understand? What plenty? The big men self are the farmers. Look at Ken like this, is a farmer. Your mama is a farmer.
Wow. So the big man, you just mentioned the names. The big men that are doing farming.
Can I the big farmer?
Okay.
Kennedy Japan is a big farmer, big time.
Okay.
Your mama himself, the former president, is a farmer.
Okay.
We have so many of them
So
who are farmers.
so if the big men are doing farming, why not the education to be the young boys to do farming?
That's what I'm saying. If you want to educate people, you know, be now we are coming to rush. You should stop the rushing. It's not going to work.
Please follow the YouTube the TikTok account because it's doing amazing work there. So it can give you more. So what crops are you planting?
No, I'm to vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, cabbage, herbs like parsley, coriander, mint, and other things. I'm doing now flowers to add it.
I see flowers.
Yes,
That's in
I'm doing flowers, and I also give advice to people
So-
how to farm in their house, train them. I'm to do pot gardening in their house. You understand? So if you want to do pot gardening in your house, you can invite me. I'll come and give you the expertise to do the work at your house.
Okay, your number and your TikTok name again.
My enterprise is Sparrow Green Farm. My real name is Tijani Sari. My real name is Tijani Sari. And if you want to find me on any platform, just log in Sparrow Green Farm, and you are good to go.
Any platform.
Any platform.
Then you are in one of the groups because this one the way you talk there. I believe that
Any platform, you can find me there.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm praying that they will come and learn. If they learn it, will be free.
Yes, I'm free, but now I've become a little bit busy. So you have to call me. Then
You need to book appointment.
Yes, you have to book an appointment with me. Then
Sure.
I will come and attend to you. For learning, you can come to my farm to have an excursion. Then we can have free talk.
So the location. I know I asked.
The farm is at Ibri, but the real location of the area where the farm is at Ajimanti, going to Ashas University. So when you reach Ajimanti, just ask anybody, the large farmer. They will say they will find me for you.
They tell you are searching for you because if you do work and can put that side, everybody know you because we read there, everybody know you. I say,
Yes.
hey, why? You are
Yes.
Papa.
It's my job make me popular. The job I'm doing will make me eh? Yes. The farmer is, God has blessed farmers.
But in the olden days, farmers are rich.
Yes, my Ghana.
Hey, yo, so olden days farmers are rich. Why we see farmers are poor?
It's a system make us poor. The farmers are poor.
The interview, we end the interview, we start again. I have to end the video.
No. It's true. Real time, the farmers supposed to be rich.
Why?
But today in our system we are living in, the farmer will be poor. Look at the car I'm using. Master, you flash the car. I didn't anything from anybody. Flash it. That's the car I'm using. You are telling me I'm rich. Rich from where? How can we be rich?
That's why the youth are not coming to farm.
That's the thing. Because, okay, let's say that I have money. The money, the kind of investment I need. If I get the investment I need, I'll look at the time I'm going to do and make what? Cash. And cash out. This thing is not like something where it's like it's not by luck. There's a time to cash out. If that time reach where you know if you do the thing, you will not cash out. That's the thing. Because now if I'm harvesting in this rainy season, I'm not going to cash out. And that's the best time all the villagers can do.
But you have water, that's why you are saying that.
No, not because I have water. The water you see there, when you reach the drying season time, it's going to dry at a certain level. It doesn't dry totally, but it's going to reduce. And when you reduce, I can't continue the work. I have to reduce the work too. But now if I have money, there's so many systems to do. I can do a drip system, irrigation drip system in my farm. Then I will use poly tank. Then I can save water, I can save time.
That's when I come for my main channel. I will come and do interview with you. The main channel.
I know that problem. I know that. I don't get trouble.
I want to end the video here so that you come and sit down.
You like you tell me so they can't end the interview. Like I wait for you at the farm. But today I was having problem with the car. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Have a nice day.